In this video, I'm going to go over how to fix a Black & Decker 12-inch pizza capacity countertop convection oven. Now, I've already went ahead and removed the bottom plate. As you can see, it takes a lot of little screws to get that off, and then loosened all the side screws, and you get at the side panel, which is to the right of your operating panel board there. Okay, now the next part is you need to loosen off this motherboard that's right here, and then get at the motherboard that's in there. Now this is the tricky part and the most important part. There, fixed.